Good morning dear students, welcome back to online classes, standard 7 subject maths. Lesson number 5, exercise 5.1. Here we have completed up to question number 9. Question number 10, indicate which pairs of angles are opposite angle, vertically opposite angles when two lines are intersecting each other and opposite angles facing each other formed. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Here angle 1 and angle 5, two lines both are intersecting each other, so angle 1 and 4, sorry not 5, both are vertically opposite angles. And second pair, that is a 5 and 2 plus 3, that is also vertically opposite angles. Second one, linear pair, two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Okay, linear pair where two angles make their sum is 180 degree and one arm is common and two others arms facing each other, opposite to each other. So that is a angle 1 and angle 5. You can see if you will add them up, then you will get 180 degree, and in between them one arm is common, that is this one, and other two arms are opposite to each other. Second pair, 5 and 4, because 2 and 3 is not possible to make linear pair angle with 2 and 3. So another one, second pair is angle 5 and 4. Question number 11, in the following figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? No, both are not nearer angle. These two angles are known as alternate angle. And one of the condition to make adjacent angles, their vertex should be common. It is not common here, any of the vertex, that's why. Question number 12, find the values of the angles x, y, z in each of the following. First one, x is equal to 55 degree. Sorry, here these two lines intersecting each other, four angles formed, here x, here y, z and 55 degree. Now you can see in the figure this 55 and x both are vertically opposite angles, so x is equal to 55 degree. Next, linear pair, 55 plus y is equal to 180 degree, so y is equal to 125. And if y is equal to 125, then z is equal to also 125, vertically opposite angles. Next, second figure, you can see here x, y and z. You can check in the figure. First of all, you can see here in the figure 40 degree plus 25 plus x. These three angles, if you will add all these angles, you will get 180 degree, because these are the angles on the straight line. So x plus 40 plus 25 is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 115 degree. So what is the value of x? 115. Okay. Next, just a second. Next, this 40 plus y. 40 plus y, it forms linear pair. So 40 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 140 degree. Next, y plus z is equal to 180 degree. And y, we got the value of y, that is 140 degree. So z is equal to 40 degree. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. First one, if two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measures is 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary, then their sum is 180 degree. Third one, two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary, because their sum is also 180 degree. Fourth one, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form a linear pair. Linear pair angles both are supplementary, and supplementary angles also form a linear pair. Fifth one, if two lines intersect a point, then vertically opposite angles are always equal. Sixth one, if two lines intersect at a point And if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse. Two lines are intersecting this way, then one pair is acute angle and second pair is obtuse angle because this angle is more than 90 degree. Question number 14. In the following figure, name the following pairs of angles. First, obtuse vertically opposite angles. Obtuse and vertically opposite angles. So, vertically opposite angles, AOC also there, DOC, but it's acute angle. You want here obtuse more than 90. So, that is BOC and AOD. BOC this and AOD. Second one, adjacent complementary angles. Adjacent complementary angles means angle, first of all adjacent angles, so it will have a common vertex, okay, and non-common arms are on the either side of common arm and some angle is 90 degree. First one complementary angle, so 90 degree, adjacent it means have a common arm. Understood? And it's a, you can see AOE and AOB both are complementary angle and adjacent because their sum is 90 degree. Third one, equal supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means their sum is 180 degree. So, both are equal supplementary angles. You have to find out which are they. That is a EOD and EOB. Second one, fourth one, sorry, unequal supplementary angles, that is given here AOE, AOE, EOC, EOC. Because supplementary angles form a linear pair angle, their sum is also 180 degree. Second one, AOD, DOC, AOD, this one, and DOC, it means this one. Last one, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair, AOB, AOE, AOB and AOE. These two angles are nearby, but they do not make any linear pair, because if both angles are linear pair, then definitely its sum is 180 degree. And second one, these two angles, okay. So, basically you must have to understand the concept to understand all these examples. All these examples are based on this basic concept. What are the supplementary angles, what are the adjacent angles, complementary angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles, okay. So, here this exercise is over. We will see you, I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.